Good morning all. Today we will solve a numerical question on global thresholding. So in this given question, a 9 cross 9 input image it is given to us. The object pixel it is highlighted with this yellow color and the remaining it is represent the background pixels. So in this given question, the object is darker and the background is brighter. It means the object pixel which is represented, which is highlighted by this yellow color, it having the lower gray intensity level and the background will have the higher intensity level. So in this given questions, we have to suggest a threshold value which distinguishes the object pixel from the background pixel, and in the another part we have to determine the mean of this object pixel. So let us solve this question. So this is our input image. The object pixels are highlighted by this yellow color, and in the given question it is mentioned that the object it is the darker object. In this given input image the object is darker whereas the background is brighter. So in this kind of scenario where the object is darker and the background is brighter, in this kind of scenario, in order to distinguish the object pixel from the background pixel, we apply the thresholding condition. The pixel value fxy it must be less than equals to the threshold value t. So this is the condition, this is the thresholding condition to identify the object pixel when in the given input image the object is darker and the background is brighter. So in this given input image, if you observe the grayscale value for this given object pixels, so in this given question the object pixels will have the intensity range values. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now if you want to fix this condition on this given intensity level such that fxy less than equals to t represent the object part, we will write when fxy is less than equals to 6, it represent the object part, it represent the object part, and hence we will suggest the threshold value, is equals to 6. Now we will solve the next part, that is we have to determine the mean of all these object pixels. We have to determine the mean of all these yellow pixels, the mean of all these highlighted pixels. So this mean value you can determine in two ways. You have to add all these yellow pixels divided by total number of pixels, or you can do it in a very systematic manner. Here I will write the gray level value, and here I will write its number of occurrence. So in my object part, the different gray labels are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will check the number of occurrence of this gray label 0. The number of occurrence of gray label 0 in this highlighted object part, it is only 1. The number of occurrence of gray label 1, it is 1, 2, 3. The number of occurrence of gray label 2, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The number of occurrence of gray label 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Similarly, number of occurrence of gray label 4, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The number of occurrence of gray label 5, 1, 2 and 3. And the number of occurrence of gray label 6, 1, okay, only 1. Now if you add all this number of occurrence, sum of all this number of occurrence, that is 1 plus 3 plus 8 plus 12 plus 8 plus 3 plus 1, that is 1 plus 3 plus 8 plus 12 plus 8 plus 3 plus 1, you will get the summation that is equals to 36. And if you check the dimension of this object pixel, it consists of 6 number of rows and 6 number of column. It means it will consist of total 36 number of pixels. So now we will have to write the expression for the mean object. The expression for this mean of this object part, 0 is repeating for 1 times, so I will write 0 into 1 plus 1 gray label, it is repeated for 3 times. For gray label 2, the number of occurrence, it is 8, so I will write here 2 into 8. For gray label 3, the number of occurrence is 12, so here I will write 3 into 12. For gray label 4, its number of occurrence is 8, so 4 into 8 plus for gray label 5, the number of occurrence is 3, so 5 into 3 plus for the gray label 6, the number of occurrence is 1, so I will write 6 into 1. This is the sum of all these pixels. This is the sum of all these object pixels highlighted in this given input image divided by total number of pixels. So total number of pixels in this object part we have already determined, it is equals to 36. So I will divide this summation by 36. If you do the calculation, you will get the result, that is 108 by 36, that is equals to 3. So for this given question, we have determined the mean of the object part, that is equals to 3, and we have also suggested the threshold value to distinguish the object part from the background part, and we have suggested the threshold value that is equals to 6. And with this question is over. Thank you.